There are some really easy things you can do to elevate your cooking at home, and one of them is to make your own stocks. Making your own stock could not be more simple. You can make stock out of a lot of different things. The amount of time it takes kind of depends on what kind of stock you're going to make. Now today we're going to show you a vegetable stock, which when you make vegetable stock, think about making a cup of tea. You're going to put your vegetable scraps in a pot, bring it to a boil, and just let it simmer and steep for a little while until you get this nice dark liquid. Done. Probably 20 minutes is all you're going to need. We're also going to make a shrimp stock by boiling shrimp shells. That is something else. It's pretty quick. Throw it in there, bring it to a boil, let it simmer for about 20 minutes. You should be good. For the chicken stock, we're going to start off with some local necks and backs from Crossroad Farm in Ohio. We're going to add that to a stock pot, cover it with water, and throw in some aromatics like crushed garlic and some halved onion. A few bay leaves and we're good. We're going to let that boil for several hours and really extrude all those flavors out of the chicken. Now, beef stock and demi-glace, that's a whole nother thing. We'll do that in a different video. Part of the reason I started this channel was to show you how to do things that maybe are intimidating, but really aren't that hard. And something like making stock, if you've never done it before, I really urge you to give it a shot. It is not hard, and it will truly knock your socks off. It'll truly knock your socks off. What else do you want to see? What scares you in your home kitchen? What are things that you think are beyond your skill level? Let me know in the comments below, and we'll see what we can do. And also, don't be intimidated by it. Smash that subscribe button.